Riverwalk es un paseo a desnivel que cruza el corazón de San Antonio. Todas las ciudades tienen una atracción distintiva que las hace diferentes a las demás. La de San Antonio, Texas, es el Riverwalk. El Riverwalk es un paseo a desnivel que cruza el corazón de esta ciudad con más de 300 años de historia e inmediatamente te llevará a enamorarte de ella.
Right there, it's actually the first fully air-conditioned full-service hospital, built in the U.S. of A, known as the Mix Hospital, and built in 1930. Also, this one is called to be called the St. Mary's School for Boys University. Now, this university, everybody got to the point where they just got so congested. They decided they wanted to move to the northwest side of San Antonio and become St. Mary's University Law School co-ed. Now, two alumni graduated further down the line. Came back and said, hey, this will be a perfect place for a four-star hotel. So, to the left. By the way, everybody, this building was finished 1 week before the flood of 1921. Yeah, did a good job, huh? Still there? Now, as we come along, everybody, take a look, come up here to my right side of the boat, and you're going to see the Aztec Theater. They turn around and say, we're tired of Riverwalk. This has turned this thing into a gigantic sewer system. But can anybody guess who said no? I want to take another good picture. Take a look over here towards me. This way. Actually, I have a better picture for you guys. What you're going to do is you're going to take a look over here towards me. It's the full performance. Now you look to the right of the stage, you'll see some bells up there. Those bells represent the missions here in San Antonio. Except for the one in the middle actually represents Mr. Robert H. Huggy, who's known as the architect and father of the Riverwalk. By the way, the theater was built from 1939 to 1941. But see, everybody, when Mr. Hugman put this together, I kind of think he was thinking of me too. Why? Because there's a bridge, and then there's me. There's a bridge, and then there's me. No, seriously, how can this still be?
El recorrido por el San Antonio Riverwalk no solo es relajante, también puedes maravillarte con la arquitectura, la flora y la fauna que hay en el lugar. En tu paseo encontrarás esculturas, patos, aves y una variedad de plantas impresionantes. A lo largo del río hay escaleras que te llevan al paso de carretera de la ciudad. En tu recorrido podrás salir hacia atracciones como Perth, Alamo Plaza, San Antonio Museum of Art, Shopping River Center y variedad de restaurantes.
Points at the land, and he says, Saint Anthony. Until they finally realize St. Anthony's in Spanish is San Antonio. So everybody on the day, the land, the river, everything, he was all called San Antonio. And at that point, San Antonio becomes the second oldest city in the United States. And she can do so.
Wait, I'm gonna ask for him. And how many people follow the Riverwalk?
That's a good question. We average about 500 a year. 495 of them are mostly intoxicated. The other 5 get pushed in by the 495. Now, just playing everybody. It's 1, 2, or 3. So when you find yourself in the water, get out. By the way, it's a $500 fine if you're caught swimming in the river. Meantime, in my wildest dreams, everybody I knew but thought I'd be doing this. Why? Because well, I used to bartend. Well, everybody tell you, every time I go to this bridge, it says, Dan, drive a boat. Because that 6 foot, 2.5, y'all, I don't know. What do you think? There's a bridge, there's me. There's a bridge, there's me. If you look at the bridge, then look at me. No, seriously, how can this be?
Puedes dar el paseo a bordo de una lancha. El costo es de $14.5 para edades de 6 a 64 años y $8.5 para niños de 1 a 5 años. El plus de esta experiencia es que el conductor ofrece una narración de la historia de San Antonio, las atracciones y edificios que los turistas ven durante el recorrido. También puedes recorrer el Riverwalk a pie de manera gratuita. Lleva tu cámara fotográfica para capturar las mejores postales.